Welcome to another edition of Ask Snappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of AppyPie. Today's question comes from Nicole, and she asked, what are the top paying ad networks for mobile monetization? Nicole, there are tons of ad networks that have come over the last 7 to 8 years since mobile monetization has picked up. However, if you ask me personally, some of the top ad networks that come to me in my mind would be AdMob, which is Google's ad network. Along with that, you can also use Facebook's own ad network for monetization. And then after Google and Facebook, there are some other names like Zomato, a very good ad network. Then you can also go to media.net. You can refer to InMobi. AppyPie has its own ad network. We also have very decent eCPM rates as well, which is called AppyJump. You can also refer to that. We've also used AppNext, and personally as well, a very decent app network as well. We've used EPOM also, a very good ad network. So in terms of the the payout, it totally depends upon the kind of impressions you have on your app. So we commonly refer to this terminology as eCPM. It basically is cost per impression. How many impressions does your app get? And it also depends upon the kind of ad units you are wanting to install in your app. You could have a full screen interstitial app banner, or you could also involve or add a video unit. So video units are always much more interactive and they have a much more higher payout as compared to banner ads or banner ad units. But these days, a lot of interactive banner ad units have also come into place, also have a very decent payout in terms of the eCPM rates. Then there is another genre of ad networks which pay you on performance. What I mean by performance is that you need to do a specific action or pay on an install basis. In these that come in my mind are Supersonic and Chartboost, so you can definitely give them a try. Most of all these ad networks offer you an SDK, so you can simply take in this SDK and plug it into your app, or they also offer you an API. But in terms of API, there are some networks which support API and SDK both, but most of these networks, they all have an SDK in place. With us at AppyJump, we support both API and the SDK model. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.